we'll guide you through how to accept payment with Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top left corner and click on the Payments tab. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can manage all your payments. Next, click on the Create Payment link button located on the right. You'll be prompted to enter the payment details like the amount, currency, and description. It's important to ensure the information is accurate to avoid any issues. After filling this out, you'll need to select the payment method. Stripe supports various options like credit cards, bank transfers, and more. Choose the one that suits your needs. Once you've selected the payment method, you'll see an option to either charge the payment immediately or authorize it for later. For most transactions, you might want to choose Charge Now to complete the process right away. If you're offering a subscription service, you can also set up recurring payments. To do this, go back to the dashboard, click on Subscriptions, and then Create Subscription. Enter the customer details and the plan details, including the billing cycle. This way, Stripe will automatically charge your customer at the specified intervals. Make sure to review all the details before you confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, Stripe will process the payment, and you can view the transaction status in your Payments overview. Remember to keep track of your payments and subscriptions for better financial management. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.